how to open command prompt on Windows 10 or 11 in 2024 and 25. So let's start it. First of all, you click on a start button and click on right button. No, click on left button and go down by the scrolling this and go down when you have get system Windows system option. Then you click on this and you get command prompt option are available on this tab. So click on this and this is your command prompt. So this is your command prompt and yeah, that's it. Yeah, thanks for watching this video. I hope this video is helpful for you. Then subscribe us and don't forget to like, share and comment in this video.